Good morning, my dear students. I hope everyone is good and safe at home and enjoying online classes also. Now, again, in last class we studied about grammar part. Now it's the time. It's time to start the lesson part. I think most of you are not having books. Some of you are having books. So this is the textbook. So again, we are having 8 prose and 8 poem and 3 supplementaries. So today we are going to start the first lesson in unit 1, that is a tiger in the house. It's a very beautiful lesson. Okay, so let's start. Pre-reading activity, listening and speaking. So this A Tiger in the House, written by Ruskin Bond. Ruskin Bond. Look at the picture. So now if you see the textbook, so you can see, look at this picture. Look at this picture. A forest guard is holding a pair of cheetah's cubes in his hands. Okay. Poor things, they were abandoned by their mother. So this lesson is about a care concern towards animal. By seeing this picture, so we can imagine that a person is there, a forest person is there. He is holding 2 pets or 2 cubs of cheetahs and poor things. And the sad thing is that they were abandoned, means their mother is separated. Okay. Why did she do that? Why did she do that? We don't know. So why her mother or his mother left, we don't know. But what will this man do with them? Again, the question comes in mind. By holding these things, what that man will do with the things? He will take them to his officer, who will send them to a veterinary for a checkup. The doctor will tell their age and the state of their health. Perhaps he will also tell them whether they are cheetahs or leopards. Do you know that in olden days people trained cheetahs to hunt deer? But what will happen to those poor cubs now? What will the forest department do in the case like this? Ask your teachers about these questions. Nothing that. So a person got 2 cheetahs. So as soon as he or she got the 2 cheetahs, he will think and he will go to the veterinary department or veterinary hospital to check the age, okay, whether they are cheetahs or leopards or any kind of animals. After coming to know that they are wild animals, so you may send to the forest, or forest department will come to you and take that things. Now here the author is saying, ask this question to your teacher. What is the question? Sir, I am holding 2 cheetahs, what to do with these 2? Okay. So now let's see the lesson carefully. Second one, B is reading. Read the story at the home first and then in the class for the teacher's models reading. Keep reading it at home again and again. So this is very beautiful lesson. So as author says, as Ruskin Bond's author says, first read this lesson at home. After this, attend the class, listen to your teachers and keep reading at home again and again. Okay. Timotheus. Okay. Timothy, the tiger cubs, was discovered by grandfather on the hunting expedition in the Terai jungle. What is that? The jungle is that. Okay. You have to remember this name for this lesson. What is that? Timothy. Timothy, the persons who got this tiger cubes, was discovered by grandfather hunting expedition in the Tehrinjan near Dhera. Okay, where it is? In a forest, he got these two pets. Okay. At first, the tiger cubs, who was named Timothy by grandmother, was brought up entirely on milk given to him in the feeding bottle by our cook Mahmoud. Okay. So they got the two cubs, means two kids of the animal tiger. So they gave grandmother gave name as Timothy, and they brought to home. While bringing, they fed a milk and broth. The milk proved too rich for them, and he was put on a diet of raw mutton and cold leaves oils, to be followed later by the more tempting diet of pigeons and rabbits. So you know, a tiger is not a vegetarian; it is non-veg likes. Okay, so the milk was not digested for both cubes, both tigers. The milk was not digested. So they were asking, means the two were expecting that they would get the raw mutton, means non-veg, and cod oil liver, and some kind of birds, rabbits meat. Timothy was provided with two companies, Toto and Monkey. Okay, so for those, the friends are Toto and Monkey. There are two friends who was bold enough to pull the young tiger by the tail and then climb up the curtains if Timothy lost his temper, and small Bengal's puppy found on road by grandfather. So again, with these two Timothys, means that two tigers, again they were other two friends, Toto and Monkey. Okay, so they were very bold. How they are very bold? So they used to pull the tail of the tigers, and they used to go far. If tiger gets angry, those two used to climb the tree or curtain. At first, Timothy appeared to be quite afraid of the puppy and darted back with the springing if it came too near. He would make abrupt dashes at with his large forepaws and then retreat to the ridiculously safe distance. Finally, he allowed the puppy to crawl on his back and rest there. So there is always two friends to irritate those two tigers because they are too small. Okay, the other two friends, these two friends used to make so much of nonsense, so much of irritating to those kids. One of Timothy's favorite amusement was to steal anyone who would play with him, and so when I came to live with grandfather, I become one of the tiger's favorite. Okay, now the author is saying, so it was the two pets with my grandfather, grandmother. Whenever I used to go to meet them, I used to play with the tigers, small kids tigers, with the monkey and the other mongoose also. So now I become very friendly to those and all. This author is saying now here. With a creeped look in his glitters eyes and his body crushes, he would creep closer and closer to me, suddenly making a dash for my feet, rolling over on his back and kicking with delight and pretending to bite my ankles. Okay, so you might have seen, so cat also. So what it does, it simply moves from our legs, okay, simply rubs to our dresses, okay, and simply try to jump, try to scratch, try to pinch, try to bite to our shirts and all, shirt, pants and on dresses and all. So like that, the tigers, as soon as the author goes to house, the tigers also used to do the same things. He was by this time the size of full growth retrieves, and when I took him out for a walk, people on the road would give us a wide breath. Okay, so obviously some people are having in most of the cities, so they take cats, okay, dogs, and habit of taking animals with them, or not home animals, okay, pet animals, not the wild animals. Here, when a author, if he takes that Timothy outside, the people used to see with the staring, yes, what is this? Is tiger, this is wild animal, okay. When he pulled hard on his chain, I had definitely keeping up him. His favorite place in house was a drawing room, and he would make himself comfortable on the long sofa, reclining there with a great dignity and sneering at anybody who tried to get him off. Okay, and when the Timothy's was in home, so where's in home? This for this the favorite place is sofa. So they used to sit like king and enjoy the things, and they are not allowing anyone to sit on the sofa or near to that one. Timothy had clean habit and would scrap his face with his paws exactly like a cat. He slept at night in the cook's quarter and was always delighted at being laid up by him in the morning. So usually animals are having habit of so washing their face like this, okay, with the hands, and not exactly hands, with the palms only, like exactly cat also does like that only. And the Timothy also did the same things. He slept at night in the cook's quarter, okay, so where he used to go and sit in the kitchen, and was always delighted at being let out by him in the morning. So always it is lazy, so get up in the early morning. One of these days, declared grandmother in his prophet's manner, we are going to find Timothy sitting on Mahmoud's bed and no sign of cook except his clothes and shoes. So it's very interesting. See once again. One of these days, so one day what it happened, declared means grandmother said in his poetic manner, politely or some roughly, we are going to find Timothy sitting on Mahmoud's bed. Mahmoud is what? That the gardener or housekeeper. Okay. So one day Timothy was on the Mahmoud bed and no sign of cook except his clothes and shoes. So he disturbed the dresses of the Mahmoud. Of course, it never came to that. About by when Timothy was about 6 months old, a change came over him. He grew straightly less friendly. Super. Okay. So the time passes. Now you might have seen animals are animals only. Okay. When they grow up, so they are least about the caring and gets angry. So 6 months after, so it happens to that one also. It grow up. Okay, he grown up, and now he is not that much friendly. Means he is biting. Okay, he is fighting, and he is eating so much of nonsense things. When out for a walk with me, he would try to steal a cat or someone pet prankness. Okay, so when it is in garden, when I take Timothy to a garden, before it was a kid, it used to sit at one place. Now it is not sitting at one place, it is attacking to the cats and some kind of birds in the garden, and it is almost attacking to the small children. So that is very odd to me. Sometimes at night we would hear Francis crackling from the poultry house, and in the morning there would be feathered lying on all over the vendor. So now it is doing very bad things at night also. Timothy is throwing all those things, okay, doing nonsense things at night also, disturbing lot. Timothy had to be chained up more often, and finally he began to steal Muhammad about the house with what looked like villain's instinct. Grandfather decided it was time to transfer him to zoo. Okay. Now that Timothy was doing so much of nonsense things, it was not allowing Muhammad to work, and night also it was disturbing a lot. Now the grandfather has decided finally to send or to transfer him to a zoo. think it's very odd to see. Okay. So, dear students, now the half part is over. Okay. Let's take let's repeat the things. A tiger in a house, written by Ruskin Bond. Okay, so grandmother, grandfather. More we have to add here. Okay, so Timothy is that cheetah's name. So one day while traveling in a zoo, jungle, their grandfather found two pet animals. So it would be cheetah. So now that cheetahs, while bringing from the forest, from the jungle, grandfather has given a name to those is Timothy. Okay, Timothy. Now Timothy is nothing but a tiger. It was finally concluded it was tiger. And while coming in the vehicle, so grandfather has given a milk to that one. But obviously it is a wild animal, doesn't fill the stomach with the milk. So it was expecting meat or some other kind of things. Okay. So Timothy was provided. So after bringing the home, the grandfather has brought to those that tiger to home, and there were two friends, Toto and Monkey. Okay. So these two were irritating Timothy a lot. They used to pull the leg and climb the curtain. They used to tease and go further, or they used to jump. Okay. So like that, days are going passes. Okay. Now Timothy's favorite place is garden. When it goes to play the garden, so people used to get scared, but it was too small, so there was no chances of harming anyone. Okay. So when the Timothy comes to home, this favorite place was sofa. That used to sleep in a sofa like a king. Okay, and not allowing anyone to sit near that one. Right? And now time passed. Okay, now Timothy is little bit grown up, and now he is not a friend. Okay, so before it was too friendly and he was doing so much of nonsense things, playing with the things with the like cat. So wild animals now is not a house pet animal. Okay, getting angry, getting irritated. Of course. So after the 6 months of these things, that Timothy is not a friend to anyone. Means he is doing so much of nonsense. In morning also doing so much nonsense things. At night also disturbing a lot to other people's. Now the father has decided, and before that was disturbing too much to the mama, means the housekeeper or the homemade persons. And grandfather finally decided. What he decided? Now see, the tiger is growing up. Now people are getting scared, and if it grows little bit more, again it may ask. Our neighbors may ask. So neighbors may give complaint to the authority. So they may come and take action against us. So instead of taking all this risk, the grandfather has decided now to send the Timothy to the forest. Okay, students. So I hope this half lesson is understood to you. So next class, so we will conclude, we will finish the things, and if possible, we will repeat next class the same things. But those who are having books, see the books up to 8 points I have cleared. Read once and listen this video, or after listening this video, read. Okay? If you are not having book, listen this video only 2-3 times and all. And some of you are not sending homework, so for that, so those students I am going to inform to the madam very strictly, very seriously. Okay? So with these things, I would like to conclude. So thank you so much, and take care. So in next class we are going to finish the remaining part. Okay, thank you, take care.